Today, I'll show you how to add copyright metadata to PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're an author, a graphic designer, or just someone who wants to protect their work, adding copyright metadata is a crucial step in safeguarding your intellectual property. Let's dive right into the process and make sure your PDF documents are properly protected. First things first, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's key to getting started. Once your document is open, it's time to navigate to the next step. Look towards the top of your screen and find the menu or file option. Click on this and then select Document Properties. This menu is essentially the control center for your document's metadata, where you can input essential information about your PDF. Now, you'll see fields labeled title and author. These fields are where you'll fill in the document title and your name. Filling in these fields is important as they provide the foundational information about your document. It's like creating a business card for your PDF, letting readers know who created the material and what it's called. Take a moment to ensure the title accurately reflects the content of your document and that your name is spelled correctly. After you've filled out the basic information, it's time to address the copyright details. Look for the additional metadata button. This is your gateway to specifying copyright details. Once you click this button, a new window will appear. This window houses a variety of fields and drop-down menus where you can specify detailed metadata about your document. In this new window, locate the description section. This part of the window allows you to add more specific information about your document, including its copyright status. Find the copyright status drop-down menu. Here you'll have several options, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on selecting copyrighted. This step is vital because it clearly communicates that your document is protected by copyright law. Finally, in the same window, you'll see a field labeled Copyright Notice. This is where you can type out your formal copyright notice. Consider this the final touch in asserting your ownership over the document. The notice you type here should be clear and precise, typically including the year and your name or the name of your business. Once you've entered your copyright notice, double-check it for accuracy. And there you have it. Your PDF is now equipped with the necessary copyright metadata, ensuring that your work is protected and properly attributed to you. Adding these details not only helps protect your intellectual property, but also enhances the professionalism of your documents. Remember, taking these extra steps can make a significant difference in how your work is perceived and handled by others. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. By adding copyright metadata, you're taking an important step in safeguarding your creative efforts. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing and protecting your digital documents.